Imagine walking into a store, buying a lifelike humanoid robot, and bringing home a companion that looks and acts just like a human. It feels like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, like Subservience starring Megan Fox, where robots seamlessly fulfill our needs. But this isn't just fiction. Scientists and tech companies are working to make it a reality. In this video, we'll explore what it will take to create these lifelike robots, the challenges we must overcome, and how we can prepare for this incredible future, safely and securely. Let's dive in and see how close we are to a world of lifelike humanoid robots. What will it take to build lifelike humanoid robots? To create robots that look, move, and act human, several technologies must advance together. 1. Artificial intelligence that feels natural. 1. AI needs to process data like the human brain, understanding emotions, language, and complex requests. 2. Today, systems like ChatGPT can hold conversations, but robots must learn to respond to body language in real-time situations. 2. Realistic hardware and movement. 1. Robots will need soft robotics, materials that mimic human skin and muscles for natural movement. 2. Boston Dynamics. Atlas Robot shows impressive agility, but making robots look human without being awkward is the next big step. 3. Reliable power sources. 1. Humanoid robots need batteries that are compact, efficient, and long-lasting to handle hours of operation. 2. Energy breakthroughs like solid-state batteries are paving the way, but we're not there yet. 4. Affordable manufacturing. 1. Current advanced robots cost millions of dollars to produce. 2. Scaling production and making components cheaper is essential to bring these robots into homes. How soon will we have these robots? Experts predict we'll see lifelike humanoid robots in phases 2030. Early robots will assist in factories, hospitals, and high-end businesses, doing repetitive or dangerous tasks. 2040. Advanced robots will enter luxury homes, handling cooking, cleaning, and acting as companions. 2050 and beyond. Fully lifelike robots, nearly indistinguishable from humans, will become widely available and affordable. The timeline depends on solving technical challenges, but the vision is clear. Robots will integrate seamlessly into daily life. The benefits of lifelike robots. Once lifelike robots become a reality, they'll transform our lives in ways we can't yet imagine. Household assistants. Robots will cook, clean, organize, and manage tasks, giving you more time to focus on what matters. Companionship and care. For the elderly or those living alone, robots will offer emotional support and companionship. Healthcare support. Robots will monitor health conditions, assist nurses, and deliver care at home or in hospitals. Education and tutoring. Lifelike robots will become personal tutors, helping students learn in interactive and engaging ways. Workplace revolution. Robots will take on repetitive tasks, allowing humans to focus on creativity, strategy, and innovation. The hidden risks of humanoid robots. While the benefits are exciting, humanoid robots will introduce risks that we must prepare for. 1. Privacy concerns. 1. Robots will collect enormous amounts of personal data, like schedules, voice recordings, and video footage. 2. Without strong security, hackers could access this data, spy on your home, or manipulate the robot. 2. Network security. 1. Robots rely on a constant internet connection to function and interact. 2. If your network is compromised, hackers can breach your robot and use it to access your smart devices. 3. Over-reliance on technology. 1. Relying too much on robots could cause humans to lose essential skills or become overly dependent on machines. How to protect yourself. When robots arrive, here's how to prepare for a future with humanoid robots and ensure your privacy and safety. 1. Secure your internet connection. Robots will depend on your home network to communicate and update. If your connection isn't secure, hackers can use it as a backdoor. Solution. Use NordVPN to encrypt your network and prevent unauthorized access. 1. NordVPN hides your IP address, making it nearly impossible for cybercriminals to target your devices. 2. It encrypts all internet traffic, ensuring your robot's connection to cloud servers is safe and private. Protect your future smart home with NordVPN here. https://refer.nordvpn.com. MJOMKHGNGUW. 2. Use strong passwords and encryption. Always secure your robot's control systems with strong, unique passwords. 3. Limit data sharing. Only allow robots to access the information they absolutely need to function. 4. Stay informed. Learn about the latest security updates and robot technologies to stay ahead of potential risks. Conclusion: a future full of possibilities. Humanoid robots, like those seen in Subservience, could soon become part of our daily lives. While we're still years away from walking into a store and buying one, the progress in AI, robotics and energy systems brings us closer every day. These robots will transform how we work, live and connect. But it's essential to use them safely and responsibly. With tools like NordVPN to protect your data and Cyber A.I pros guiding you through the AI revolution, you'll be ready for this exciting future. If you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe for more on AI, technology and how to stay safe in a digital world. Let us know in the comments. Would you trust a humanoid robot in your home? Let's talk about it. Stay secure, stay informed, and let's build the future together.